True love, pure love, is something very attractive. It's rarely seen, practically never seen in the material world. Genuine, selfless love. That type of love, which we talk about, the ideal love, the search for the ideal love, or the ideal romance, or the ideal relationship. Everyone has some innate sense within themselves that there must be some perfect match or perfect lover. That perfect personality who displays the ultimate limit, the prem sima, the ultimate limit of prema, is Krishna's Shakti expansion, is Srimati Radharani. Krishna, it says, Eko Bahusham, in Upanishads, Eko Bahusham. In the beginning there was one, and the one became many. Eko Bahusham. So in the beginning there's Krishna. Of course, it's eternal time. Bhagavan. And he's thinking, okay, I'm here, but I want to expand my pleasure. So from his own body, Nijarupataya Kalabi, from his own body he expanded a pleasure potency, Haladani Shakti. This is Radharani. And then they engaged in vilas. Shakti and Shaktiman, Prakriti and Purusha, Radha and Krishna. Vilas. Vilas means pastimes. Pleasure pastimes. So many pastimes. Holi is a pastime of Radha and Krishna. Throwing colors. Now, when Krishna was experiencing the love of Radharani, he was seeing there's something I don't understand. There's three features of Radharani's love, which even though I'm God, I'm all-knowing, I'm omniscient. Sarvagya. I'm Sarvagya, I'm all-knowing. Sarvagyan, I know everything. But I can't understand the nature of Radharani's love. There's something extraordinary here. There's a verse in one of our books, Chaitanya Charitamrita, that describes that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. Bhagavan Sri Krishna has come into this world in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why? There's a Bahir Karana and Antar Karana. The external reason is to establish Dharma and religion, and the internal reason are to understand the nature of love.